All right, so now what we want to do, we got everything set up for a funnel. Now we need traffic for our funnel, okay? We need to get people to see our funnel. We need eyeballs on our funnel so people opt in and then they start clicking on your affiliate links and start signing up for the ClickFunnels free trial. And then eventually you start getting paid commissions, right? Affiliate commissions. So we need to get eyeballs on there. And there's a bunch of different ways that you can get traffic. I mean, you can post, your funnel link on your Facebook page. If you have a group, you can post it in a group. If you have an email list, you can send it to your list, right? You can send your offer to your list. I personally have a 10 to 12,000 person list because I've been online for quite a bit. But this is what I'm going to show you to help you if you do not have a list. Because even if you don't have a list, you might bore them and you don't want to keep sending them the same stuff, number one. Number two, there's only going to be so much you can post on Facebook before you start getting on everybody's nerves, right? And in your group. So you want to have a way to get basically instant traffic, okay? And that's what Udemy is for. So you just go to udimi.com. I'm already logged in, and to be quite honest with you, I don't even know how the hell to log out. But you just go to udimi.com, and you just create a username, your email, and your what do you call it? A password, and you sign right up. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. Just signing up is completely free. But the first thing I want to show you is right up here. It says affiliate. Click on that. As soon as you sign up for Udemy for free, you get an affiliate link. So you want to copy that because you need to put that in your funnel, right? In your funnel. So let's go to that spot. You want to go to the part where on the thank you page, edit page. You're going to scroll down to step 6, which is what you're on right now. So you're going to scroll all the way down to your funnel that you have inside your ClickFunnels account. That is the share funnel that I gave you in, what was that, step 2, right? So you're going to scroll down to step 5, and where it says click here to get a free Udemy account, you want to put your affiliate link to Udemy right there. So use that affiliate link, and you're going to put it right here, okay? Because when you start sending out the link to your funnel and people click on this, you want to get credit for it. You don't want me to get credit for it, okay? So that's where you put that. That's the very first thing you want to do. Now, solo ads. These are called solo ads, okay? They're called solo ads, and what it is people have lists, and you buy clicks to their list, okay? You're not buying impressions, you're buying clicks. So people are actually clicking inside of your email, okay? So if nobody clicks inside your email on your link, you don't pay, okay? If somebody doesn't even open your email, you don't pay, okay? You only pay when somebody clicks on your link, all right? And so right here is it's 50 cents per click, 35 cents per click, 60 cents per click, 90 cents per click, all right? So there's all different amounts. That's number 1. And then number 2, see this dollar sign right here? It says 44%. That's the number of people that have made money when they sent to this list. So 44% of people made money when they sent to this list. And then right here, you see the thumbs up, 196 people had a good experience, 4 said something bad, so a thumbs down. If you click on the actual person, you can sometimes read, there you go, seller ratings, and you can read things that they say about what happened. This guy said, I think the opt-in was above average, quality as usual, once again, an amazing run this time, 10 sales, okay? So there's different things that you can do. Now, what you're thinking about, you're probably thinking, well, Carrie, why am I paying for people to click on this stuff? Well, here's the thing, and this goes back to Expert Secrets, Russell Brunson's book, Expert Secrets. The person who can pay more for a customer always wins. Okay, so think about this. If you're paying 50 cents per click and you know you're going to make 80 cents per click, right? So you're paying 50 cents, but you're going to make 80 cents per click. You're making 30 cents. So you're making up the difference, right? So you're making more money. Does that make sense? So if you're paying 50 cents per click, but you're making 60 cents per click, you're still positive. Okay? So then that means you put 50 cents in, 60 cents comes out. 50 cents in, 60 cents comes out. That means you have a infinite business. You can spend an infinite amount of money to advertise this, to get people to opt in, and you know you're always going to make money, right? Because 50 cents in, 60 cents out. 50 cents in, 80 cents out. Whatever that comes out to be. It's always positive. So you're making money for people to opt into your list, basically. And then everything you make down the line from them, that's just gravy, okay? Because yes, they might sign up for ClickFunnels. Yes, you'll get 40% commission, but guess what? You might offer them something else down the line and they buy that, you get commission on that. You might offer them something else down the line, they buy that, you get commission off of that. You get what I'm saying? So don't be afraid that you're paying for traffic, okay? There comes a time where you're gonna have to pay for traffic. If you wanna know if something's gonna work, solo ads are a great way to know if a message or an ad you have is gonna work, okay? So I'm gonna give you a couple of folks that you can use that I know others have had success with. So let's go to right here, search Desmond. It's this gentleman, Desmond Akil Smith, right? He's one, and he's got 58% folks made money, 63 thumbs up, 10 down, 70 cents a click. So he's one you might want to use when you get to that point. Another one is Malik. I've actually talked to Malik. Malik Chapman. Okay, 65 cents per click. 43% of people make money. 63 thumbs up, 11 down. Okay? Now, what you want to do, okay, let's say we're going to go with Malik. All right, you want to click on here. You're going to buy an ad with him. Let's just start with 100. Okay, you're going to start with 100. It has base filter. You're always going to want to click only top tier. So it adds an extra 10 cents. Okay, so remember, Malik is 65 cents per visitor. When you click top tier, it adds an extra 10 cents per visitor. So you're paying 75 cents per click, right? And you want top tier because you'll only receive visitors from the US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. And these are folks in the heavy English-speaking countries, which is a good thing because it means they have more money to spend on things like ClickFunnels, okay? So you want to click only top tier, and 100 visitors is selected, and then you want to click I have ad text, okay? You don't want Malik or Desmond or anyone else writing your ad text. So for this subject, you want to go to, in step 6, it says click here to download your solo ads email. So if I clicked on that, I downloaded it. Here's the subject, your passive income plan. I don't know if this is going to copy. It's inside. Let's see if it copies. Oh, it did. Look. So that's your subject, all right? And then you're going to copy the rest of this. Copy the rest of it. Paste that in here. You're gonna have to make it look pretty, right? You don't want to send an email like that at all. Okay, this is the real deal. Affiliate marketing is a gift that keeps on giving. You can be earning $3,080 a month every month in the next 100 days or less just by following my free 7-step training. Too good to believe? Let's break that up. Too good to believe? Well, not only am I giving you this free affiliate marketing training, but I'm also giving you a complete done-for-you plug-and-play affiliate marketing funnel. Click here for the free training. So what you want to do here is, remember I told you what I like to do. Bold that. You need your funnel link. All right, so you need your funnel link. Passive income affiliate training. You got your funnel link right here. Copy that. Come over here to Udemy. Again, that's highlighted. You click on this link here. Paste in there. Okay. Now it's a clickable link. Okay. And I like to put a space, more spaces there. All right. And you keep going, make it this pretty. It'll take you less than an hour to set up. And oops. And you can be earning passive affiliate commissions as soon as tomorrow. It's all automated, which means once it's started, you don't have to do anything. It's done for you, which means you just copy and paste. It's scalable, which means there's no limit to what you can earn. You just turn it on and money comes out the other side for you. Then come back. Let's set it up the way this is showed right here. Okay, so it's easy to read. All right. Where's that? It's all automated. Just don't have to do anything. It's done for you. It's a copy. Okay. You come back and thank me. Of course, you want to put your name, and I would sign mine. May you live happily off of passive income. Carry. Then, of course, there's always the people that just look at the PS, so you want to highlight that. Put the link in there. Boom. And again, I like to make this bold too. All right. And then you're gonna boom, add to cart and pay for it. Okay, and then you're gonna watch the links happen. And if this does well and you start making money, you're not gonna make money right away. I mean, you might. People might start doing this right away and start buying solo ads. But what's gonna happen is they're gonna do the 14-day trial, and then they're gonna sign up for the trial, the 97 or 297, and then you're gonna start making commissions. Okay, you're gonna start making commissions after. It'll take some time maybe. But some of it might happen right away, okay? So you just add to cart, and now you have these people on your list, okay? Once they opt in, they are on your list, right? They are now a contact, okay? And they're on here, and you can market to them for something else. Like you can market to them and sell them expert secrets. You can market to them and sell them, .com secrets. You could sell them, funnel hacks, whatever you want to sell them, after they're already on your list. Okay, but you'd want to sell them something that relates to what you're talking about, right? You don't want to now suddenly start trying to sell them, peanuts, right? Because it has nothing to do with any of this, okay? So that is how you can get traffic to your funnel without having a list, without having to go on Facebook, without having to buy Facebook ads. And Facebook, by the way, does not like affiliate marketing or MLM. So you'd have to do things a little bit differently if you wanted to do Facebook ads too. All right, so that is video 6. It's going to tell you how to quickly and easily get traffic to your funnel. And again, like I said, you start making money, you buy more visitors, and then you'll start making more money. All right, I will talk to you later.